A journey into the world of cells. Your body might seem big and complicated, but guess what? It's all built from tiny little things called cells. Cells are the beginning, the base, the silent heroes working nonstop to keep you alive. Let's take a journey inside the world of the cell. A cell is the smallest living unit in your body. If you take a closer look at your skin, your blood, or your muscles, they're all made of cells. And it's not just humans. Plants, animals, even tiny bacteria, all living things are made of cells. Some living things have just one single cell. Others, like you, have trillions. In fact, your body has over 30 trillion cells. That's such a huge number. It's almost impossible to imagine. You can't see them with your eyes, but they're always there, working hard every second. Every cell has a job. Some help you breathe. Some help your heart beat. Some help you move, eat, heal, and even think. Cells can take in food, get rid of waste, and even talk to each other. They send tiny messages so they can work together like a team, just like players in a game passing the ball to win. But here's something really cool. Cells don't stay the same forever. Some cells die, some get old. And every day, your body makes brand new ones to take their place. Your skin cells replace themselves about once a month. Your blood cells change every few weeks. And some brain cells stay with you your whole life. So your body is always changing, growing, and renewing itself without you even noticing. Cells may be small, but without them, nothing in your body would work. They are the builders, the workers, the thinkers. Every breath you take, every step you walk, your cells are right there with you, doing their job. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just one person. You're a whole amazing universe made of cells.